Conditioner Repair Hey! Say what? Say what? Hi, Clean. Hi guys, this is Rama from RhemaRhey. Thank you for playing. I'm going to just show you my 2019 products that I used in 2018 but I'm still using in 2019. So yeah, I'm going to start with my shampoo. So I use the Tresemme Climate Protection for all hair types. So this is the shampoo I've been using, and it smells amazing. And this is the only natural. For the shampoo and conditioner, I've never used like a specific brand. I think Tresemme is the one that I have used as a shampoo in the natural hair world, and I'm also using the Tresemme conditioner, that is the keratin smooth or keratin infusion conditioner by Tresemme. So that's what I've been using, and I've been using them for long. Like I think I've had them for the longest time ever, but I think because I had some other shampoo and another conditioner, because sometimes I would alternate, though I didn't, they were not from, the conditioner was not from, was not like a natural hair product. I just bought it because it was smelling nice. I don't remember the name though. Using the Eco Styler Argan, and so far I am loving it. I just love it. It smells amazing. Honestly, it's just amazing. I cannot complain a bit. And for the edge control, I have the main choice. Like you've been seeing, I've been using this. The main choice, laid back, effortlessly growth stimulating edge control. And they say that it's infused with biotin, vitamin C, D, E, to preserve and restore your hair follicles. I can't complain. I've been loving it so far. So and then let's go to the hair conditioners in my hair. So there is Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Repair Hey! Say what? Say what? Hi, Clean. Hey! So we have the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. And I've been loving it. So I had the argan one. Like this is argan oil and this is shea butter oil. Like I loved how this smelled. It just smells so amazing. I feel like argan oil has, like, it smells amazing. Well, for this, I don't know about it, but I feel like they're just the same, and I love how it makes my hair look. Actually, sometimes when I am out of the shower and I don't feel like doing so much to my hair, I just use the conditioner, and my hair does not shrink or anything. You see, even this is argan oil, like it has argan oil. Argan oil really does smell nice. I've never had like the pure argan oil itself, but I'm looking forward to having one. And for the other conditioner that I have, I'm using the Azayam. I'm sorry guys. Azayam Twist Defining Cream. So that is what I used when I'm doing my twist, and actually I haven't done that in a long time, and so my hair is it to be washed? So once I wash my hair, maybe I can do that for you. And then the other thing we have, I've been using this, I think you've seen this, the all natural wash free braid spray. I've been using this to spray my braids, like the crochet tutorial that I did. If you haven't seen, I'll put it somewhere around here. So so that is what I've been using to spray my braids to, and they really look nice once you spray them. And my last product would be the mousse. You can do shea butter for natural hair with Calamus, and I've had this for long and I just love it. Once again, smells amazing. I am in love with anything that smells nice. And the mousse is to do away with the flyaways when you do your braids. So that is what you use. Also, I use it when I'm doing my twists, and I also use it when I'm doing my what do we call this, my twist. And also when I'm just putting my hair in a bun, I just put the mousse all over and then I sleep with it, and it just makes the hair lay back. Like, you see, like if you can see, this is a flyaway. If I would use this right now, like, you won't be seeing the flyaway. And then I just bought this, and it's Organics by Africa's Best, carrot tea tree oil therapy. It's just amazing. I've been using it for my body and for scalp, because it says it's for the body, hair and scalp. It repairs, restores, stimulates, revitalizes and rejuvenates. Yeah, so that is what I've been using, and amazing. It is amazing. It smells amazing. I don't know. Oh, that is it, but it smells amazing. So you guys, those have been my products for 2018/2019. And how could I forget this? The Jamaican mango and lime black castor lavender. Hey, if you don't know lavender, I don't know what you're doing with your life, honestly. Like, lavender. So that is what I've been using for my hair. And actually, there's a time I had done like the feeding braids, the ones that you call mongezo or pencil, and I had done the tiny ones. And I'm telling you, because the pattern was around here, like I didn't have hair around here, and so I don't even know if you can see, sometimes I feel like it hasn't really grown back completely, but so far so good. So I used to use, that's it for today. But now I haven't told you where I buy my product. So basically, where you can buy your products is at Super Cosmetics. Where I usually go is, it's around IMAX or opposite around International House, opposite International House. Like, if you ask somewhere Super Cosmetic, you shop where it is, they will just guide you there. Also, Best Ladies, like, they're around in town. There's so many in town. Actually have some good natural hair products, and I go there sometimes, but mostly I shop at Super Cosmetics. Also, you can go at Healthy You. For Healthy You, I think it's more of, they do both hair products and also natural products that you can actually eat. So healthy also is a good choice to go for your to go and buy your product. And if I were to just say,
if you were to do shopping, like I'd rather you do it in bulk. Because when you buy one by one, you end up using so much money. And but not necessarily. It also depends. Because sometimes when your conditioner hasn't even just still there, you just have to go for another one. Like seriously, my conditioner is almost done, so I'm almost finishing this. So I really need to get another conditioner. And I can't do. I'd rather not do with the shampoo, but I can't do with the conditioner honestly. So that was the video for today. Thank you so much, guys. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. For more videos, if you want me to do hair videos or makeup videos, actually the makeup video will be on next week. Hopefully by Sunday. So kindly wait for the video. And I'm wishing you a happy week.
all the best. You have a great day. Bye.